I say there are so many people out there more person more content creation, but most of the times now we have time and we time if you hold on, they are thinking about the tools that be here and content creation. It be our here perfect camera. We be trying to be huge light and some of us share creating a content. We be trying to be PC. Now when you other softwares are very good for editing and some of us share creating YouTube channel. But you'll be shocked to realize that you don't actually need all of those things in order to start your YouTube channel. For example, me say, I'm not having any good camera. I'm not having any good camera. And I'm actually using a phone. I'm not say. Yes, I'll try to show you. My main fact, my phone when I'm in chat, the air cost is here. My phone with the any year for but one fan side. Bye. Alright. So I'm going to call video now. Been trying to see it. Alright. So and I'm motion. So this is what I'm using. Yes. So back to the point again. You don't actually need an expensive gears to start a YouTube channel. You have to start with your one, and what will do. And one of the good things I like using this phone for my videos is that I'm not even using a mic. I'm not using a mic. Mic be anywhere. Sure. Sakame was all about mic in your mic in banim high PT mic be anywhere. I'm using my phone. Mic and I'm using my phone, and the phone mic is better. All you need to do is to set up your camera and start recording. You are done. That's it. And so we can also editing now. Anyway, any woman now. You can also use your phone for that. I have a PC here. I sometimes use it, but I don't use that many times for my editing. The videos will be out here in 97% of them. I do the editing and everything. Thumbnail creating the PR on my phone. Just one phone pen I'm using. So I think this is an opportunity for you. If you really mean business, if you really mean you want to create this YouTube thing, you think you can do what I'm doing now, what someone is doing better, you have to start. That's what I'm telling you. And video I mean you because say oh and then my light one I will cancel massa lighty person be am torn me toy crying yen light no cry am toy you and yen am toy it doesn't even belongs to me my wife the am fire. Yeah, of course it's your sanity. You don't need expensive gears before you start creating content. Video we already I hear me audio sound ni bibia and na home wana on the maker. What's it? So you also hear say find the type of phone I will probably it be a video here I'll show me the phone I will use to show me see example. It's capable of doing this. And there are some people that they are actually going and doing it. And the question of chance here there are videos no beginning of the journey no videos no any effect. But with time you get some experiences be. You get some tricks be and tips be for your editing and sao videos and I'll be drawing more. I'll be drawing I'll be dropping more videos on how to edit your videos and how I edit my videos. So if you are interested, just comment I'm interested. I'll drop the video for you guys. Anyway, if today happens to be your first time, I'll show me. I go by the name HY and you know exactly how to do it. Watch over more than subscribe to the channel. And soon here. Now like and mommy. Thank you for watching this and see you in the next one. Makram.